Hey, Mary C. Williams fourth graders, this is Miss Britt here. We, as a fourth grade team, wanted to jump on here and tell you about your daily schedule of instruction. Say hey, fourth grade team.
Hey. Hi. Hey, you guys.
This is going to be your schedule for April 1st, and Miss Brisson is going to start with the morning meeting.
So every morning, we're going to have a question of the day, which we would normally do with our morning meeting. You can think about that question. You can respond on Google Classroom if you want, but it's just giving you something to think about each day.
All right, and then you're going to start your day like you always do with some math and science. This should take you about an hour, but no more than an hour and a half to complete the instruction that is right here, all outlined for you in this section that is orange. So you'll start your day just like you do math class every day. You'll have extra math, and that should take you about 5 to 7 minutes. And then there'll be a problem of the day each day for you to answer. You will send your responses to us, your answers, through ClassDojo or Google Classroom. The problem of the day should only take you about 5 to 10 minutes. And then you'll see an essential question for the day that you will look at before your instruction starts.
So once we get to number 3, we're going to be looking at our video. We will always have a video. Today we're doing Intro to Fractions video. There are 2 parts, so please make sure you watch part 1 and part 2 in order to have your independent practice complete. Then you can move on to your independent practice, and both of these should take 20 to 30 minutes each. When you are finished with independent practice, please send us a picture of your work through Dojo or Google Classroom so we can see that it is completed.
Perfect. And then at the end of your lesson and your independent practice, you can log on to Dreambox and you can complete 10 to 15 minutes each day for a total of about 45 minutes a week. We need to make sure that you're logging on at least 45 minutes a week. Sometimes this may say iReady if we have assigned you some work on iReady for you to complete. And then down here is going to be an optional mystery science link. So we'll put a link in here for some science, and this part is optional. You can do this or you do not have to, but anything that you do in response to that, you can also send to us through ClassDojo or Google Classroom.
So after math class, there's movement break. We always go outside for recess at 10 o'clock, and it just so happens that Mr. P is posting on his Facebook fitness page every day at 10 o'clock, and that can be your recess. You can also do a go noodle or go outside and take a walk, but take a minute to take a break and just enjoy yourself for a little bit until you get to reading.
And then you are in reading. We will start reading with vocabulary like we always do. We are on Unit 13, and you will just watch the video and look at the vocab card.
And then we will move on to our mini lesson of the day. So the mini lesson will include some type of review or introduction video, usually on YouTube. And then we will take some type of text and read it aloud. We will then have an independent practice, some type of task that we want you to complete, which you will send to us on ClassDojo or Google Classroom. The mini lesson and independent practice should take about 30 minutes or so.
And then we would like for you to read independently. This is the same thing we've asked you to do every night since the beginning of school. You may read whatever you would like. If you have a book at home, you can read that, or you can log into eSpark or Epic or Scholastic or even RazKids if you have that account. After you read independently, we have a short writing prompt. This will be a writing prompt for the whole week, and we do want you to respond to us on Google Classroom or ClassDojo.
And last but not least, guys, we have our weekly specials. So each week you go to art, music, library, PE, or guidance. And they are providing us with some links that you can access at the bottom of our lessons to participate in each one of those. So there's an art link already posted. There will be a music link posted very soon, and you can just log in and try those out. All right, we hope that you understand all of your work. If you have any questions, as always, please message us through Class Dojo or on Google Classroom. And we look forward to starting class with you.